natin. Maganda talaga yung kombinasyon ng dalawa.
Emergency pass to you. Takot na kay Javillonar.
Uy!
Napisahan si Baltasar.
Grabe, pinangga.
Sila yung back-to-back picks ni Arana, di ba?
Ayan yung sinasabi natin, Billionaire, may nama, bully basketball, Cal.
Yun o. Full kicks
Nakita mo?
pa. Maverick against Semirad. They go to Strings. 5 to shoot. Justin's got to go. String, pull up. Good! Wow. Terra Firma is back from the dead. They were down 23 in the third. Right now, Hanapi with a pull up. No. Rebound there, Yobu. Dito mama sa ring. And he knew exactly how much time he had.
So, hindi siya na lamang. This is gonna be a 4-pointer. And then he'll come back with
Si Baltasar, 1 point pa lang so far this game. As Hudson! Bastos jam! He took on it.
Experiencing all sorts of problems as we take a look at this slam dunk by Jalen Hudson.
And pagkatapos yan, another
laro very early. Kaya he was able to use all of the players. At eto na naman.
Oh! Jones with a block on one end, and LJ Gonzalez feeds him up top and the other. Look at it, El Patron. Play of the half na hatid sa atin ang Sports Plus.
People are worried about LJ Gonzalez kasi magaling din mag-finish sa open court. So nakatutok sila sa kanya. Ang ganda ng